Welcome, little scientists. Do you know what we're going to be talking about today? That's right, a life cycle of a ladybug. And the story I have for you is called First Discovery, Ladybugs and Other Insects. This is a ladybird beetle. We usually call it a ladybug. The ladybug is an insect. Ladybugs are often red with black spots. Like all insects, ladybugs have 6 legs. Near the ladybug's eyes are 2 antennae, or feelers. The ladybug uses these to sniff out the insects that it likes to eat. The ladybug has 2 pairs of wings. Hard red outer wings cover softer transparent wings. Ladybugs fly using the transparent wings. The hard outer wings protect the transparent wings because they are very fragile. To prevent birds from eating it, a ladybug will turn over on its back, become very still, and release a bad-smelling liquid from its legs. During the cold winter months, many ladybugs hibernate. They nestle together in the hollow of a tree or under a pile of leaves until the cold weather has passed. With its little claws and jaws, the ladybug captures aphids, its favorite food. A single ladybug can eat up to 50 aphids in one day. In the spring, male and female ladybugs mate so the female can make eggs. A week later, the female ladybug finds a leaf with many aphids on which to lay her sticky yellow eggs. When the eggs hatch, tiny black larvae emerge. The larvae feed on aphids. A young larva eats and eats. As it grows, it sheds its skin. When it is time to turn into a ladybug, the larva attaches itself to a leaf. It sheds another layer of skin and becomes a pupa. The new layer of skin becomes a hard, dry shell. Inside, a ladybug is forming. There are many kinds of ladybugs, and they come in many different colors. Let's look at the other kinds of insects that are similar to ladybugs. This scarab beetle feeds on cow dung. Some longhorn beetles have antennae that are longer than their bodies. The Colorado potato beetle loves to eat potatoes. Ground beetles usually hide under stones during the day. Most are brown, but some are brightly colored. You can find all kinds of ants almost everywhere. Many grasshoppers make sounds by rubbing parts of their bodies together. 5 of these animals are not insects. Can you find them? Did you find the seahorse, the stingray, the salamander, the turtle, and the lobster? Those are not insects. Have you seen these beetles? All right, let's review the life cycle of a ladybug. So, the first step of the ladybug life cycle is the egg. What happens next? Out of the egg comes a larva. And then out of the larva comes a ladybug emerges. And you can see the ladybug has 2 sets of wings. The wings that help it fly, which are the ones underneath that are transparent, and the outer wings that help protect the wings that help the ladybug to fly. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned a little bit more about ladybugs. If you enjoyed our program today, remember to hit the like button and to subscribe, and join us again real soon.